lock laces. First step is to remove the existing shoelaces that I'm using. These are called loops, no tie laces. They're not very practical on workout shoes because there's no way of adjusting them. And this is what they look like. This is what they look like. And so as you run long distances and your feet swell up, they're not very practical. So they're okay for like walking shoes or shoes that are slightly bigger in size. So then they seem to work out okay. I think I just damaged a part of it. Anyway, no harm. Shoes. These are Crocs, and I've recently just switched from Asics and Nike and everything else to Crocs, even for working out, because they're easy maintenance, quick wash, quick dry, and very breathable and very comfortable. So anyway, so I'll show you एक पैर में कैसे करना है, and then we will move on to the next. So when you open this package, you will see multiple things. You will see this is a long lace and it's elastic. You will see two of these lock components, and you will see something that looks like this. These are clips. This is something that we use towards the end. This is the second step. This is the first step. So I'll just take the first one of these. I'll just take one of these for now, and I shall run them through. And you can run them in any pattern. I like to keep it simple. So I'm just going crisscross abhi aise, and then just bring it over to this side. Bring this one over to the other side, and so on and so forth. Once you've done the crisscross on this side, try and make sure that both ends are almost similar in length. You take this locking mechanism, so it has a push function. As soon as you push it, you can see through it, right? So now the function is you push the locking function so that you can see through the hole, and you put each of the laces through the hole. Okay, once it's through, you take it all the way back. So basically this has become now your lace tightening function. If you press and move it, you can loosen the shoe. If you press and move it back inward, you can tighten the shoe. Now you don't need all of this excess lace, so you take about 2 to 3 inches, because that's the maximum you're ever going to need to loosen the shoe. Take about 2 to 3 inches and cut the remainder of it. Stand by. 2 to 3 inches, and we cut the rest of it. So I'm taking about this much. Chopped. Now you use one of these locking things, and the idea is ऐसे करके take the open ends of the lace, put them through this side inside ऐसे, and now you snap this shut. So basically what you're doing is you're locking the lace, the ends of the lace inside this, so that they don't get frayed any further. Okay? So now it looks kind of like this. What you can then do is, I just basically hide it underneath the laces so it's not running amok. Okay? And that's exactly what we're going to do with the other shoe.